All right, greetings everyone, my people. You see, when we told you that the Yorubas, their pastors will be the one to gaslight this country called Nigeria, my people, you will not believe it. You will not believe what happened yesterday in the church of this idiot called Perimate Ayodele. Yes, the man who is the founder of Evangelical Spiritual Church. He comes out yesterday in his congregation, start telling them that the people causing problem in Nigeria are only Igbos, not the Hausas, not the Yorubas. So my people, I want you to pay good close attention while we watch the video. Don't watch in a hurry, because I'm here with you. Then I will give you the implication and what it's going to bring for the Igbo people. Let's watch. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Let's watch.
Igbos, they are tired of this world called Nigeria. Hausa is not the problem, but the Igbos. Any Igbo can go against it. You can lambast me, you can insult me. It's not my business. It gives me courage. It gives me more glory and blessing. Your insult. Igbo, they are the problems of this country. They are desperate of power. They want to rule Nigeria at all cost. And I've not seen them ruling Nigeria, even in coming dispensation. Let them bring, when 10 trillion will come out. Igbos, they are betrayer of themselves. Igbo cannot control Nigeria. Let's be realistic. Let's be honest with ourselves. But they don't understand. Instead of them to seek wisdom, they are flexing muscle. And that's not the answer. That's what Tinubu does not even know. Obasanjo, who is advocating for them, they are the one who spoil it. All these Obasanjo, Yakubu Gowon, who are they? Many of them. So Obasanjo wants to make an amendment now, when it's too late. Tell the Baba to go and sleep. We can't make any amendments. Igbo, there is an error at the beginning. A course is on you. If you don't reverse that course, Igbo, you can't be president of anything in Nigeria. Note and underline wisdom, understanding, knowledge.
You see, what this man is here doing is a completely act of terrorism. It is a treasonable offense. But you know what? This man will get away with this evil utterances. Why? Because he is supporting the APC government. He is trying to make himself relevant in the presence of the APC. You know what they do? The moment they start going down, the moment people are not hearing about them anymore, they will now trying to bring Igbo in. They will now find a way to start painting Igbos the bad name so that they will become relevant. This is exactly what they have been doing. They have been doing it since 1960. They have doing it since 1960. This is exactly what that causes the Biafra war in 1967. And today they have started it again. These are the people that tell lies to the world to cover the evil that the Nigerian government that have been doing to the Igbos. And today they are on the mission again. But what they forget in a hurry is that this is the 21st century. What happened then can never repeat itself again. But if the Igbos don't take time, it will happen. Because why this man started telling lies in this congregation, why this man started preaching propaganda in this congregation, a lot of Igbos are here nodding head like lizard. All these people, all this congregation clapping for him while he's vomiting these evil atrocities. Many Igbos are here and they are nodding their head like lizard. So my people, if we give these people chance to accomplish this mission, it will be so disastrous. But wait, did you believe that after these utterances, after this evil agenda, did you know that this man will get away with it? Did you know? He will get away with it because he's in support to the APC. Don't forget, 2026 is around the corner, which is the year that they will start their campaigning. And all of them are now coming out to make themselves relevant so that the APC will come and bring the booty bag for them so that they will start campaigning for them. And they are trying to make themselves relevant in the presence of the APC. If this word were to come out from an Igbo person, did you know what will be happening in social media today? everybody will be talking about it. But he made this comment yesterday in his church, and everywhere is silent as if he's a normal. It's not normal. It is a calculated game. It's a mission that needs to be accomplished. But it's not going to end well. That is why we keep telling Nigeria government to allow the Biafran to go in peace, not in pieces, because this their mission can never be accomplished. If the man called himself a man of God that's supposed to be preaching peace, unity among the country, among any tribes in the country, are here trying to instigate a tribal war, it is clearly to us that this fight is a fight between the West and the East, and is here in your present eye. There is no hidden place. It's not hidden. It's in the public domain. You and I have seen it, and we have heard it from his mouth that the Igbos are the problem. Then my question can be say, where is the Igbos going wrong in this country? What are their crimes? What are the evidence that they are the problem? Look at how the Yorubas are destroying the Igbo properties in Lagos. Since the foundation of this country, how many people have been, how many Igbos have been in presidency in this country? How many? The Yorubas and the Hausas are the only ones that have been ruling this country since all these years, and yet the Igbos are the problem. You see? Are you seeing where they are coming from? This man is trying to make the Igbos look like the bad eggs in Nigeria. He wants to, they want to bring in the Yorubas, the Hausas. You want to single-handedly join them as the peaceful ones, why the Igbos becomes the enemies. So just to say, in a simplest manner, for Nigeria government to do the needful to avoid all this tribal war, all this hatred against the Igbos, let them come in a round table and allow the Igbos to go in a separate way than all this, because this evil, these things is going to be more harmful. It's going to be so disastrous. My people, Igbos, how prepared are you over this? Because it's not going to end well. It's not going to end anytime soon. So how prepared are you? Are you going to fold your hands while all these evil atrocities are befalling you? Are you going to fold your hand and be answering one Nigeria? Don't forget, I keep saying it and I keep maintaining my leg, that the problem the world is facing today is for the sake of these two religions. The Christians and the Muslims are the problem the world is facing today, and is capable in gaslighting Nigeria. Yes, it's happening in our present eye. Imagine a man who called himself a pastor that's supposed to be preaching peace and unity are here doing bigotry, committing treasonable offense, committing terrorism, because what he's saying here is out of terrorism, if you don't know, and he will get away with it because he's trying to please APC. Yes. So my people, how prepared are you? Because I know many of you are still in the member of the church, and you are there hearing it in his mouth, and you keep quiet listening to this evil. You see, the pastors that we have in Nigeria, out of 100%, 99% are the West. And today, look at the condition of this Nigeria. You see, all the imams, all of them are from the north. Look at the problem of Nigeria. So what are we not saying? Let's call expel. Let's say the truth the way it is. Let us stop misquoting it. The Christians and the Muslims are the problem that we are all facing today. Because other religions are not violent. They are not preaching hatred. But the Christians and the Muslims are the problem. I don't mean to disrespect anybody, but I must tell you the truth, because truth is bitter. So my people, how prepared are you over this tribal war? Are you going to fold your hand why these people are committing these dangerous atrocities against our people? Because they have done it in 1967 that consumed the life of millions of Biafrans, and today they are on the mission again. Are we going to allow them to continue doing this evil? Are we going to fold our hand while this evil are continue? Why can't we come and the masses and determine that the Nigeria government should allow us to go in our separate way while they continue with their one Nigeria? Enough of this propaganda, enough of these lies, enough of this evil. Let's call a spell because it is overdue. This is my mind. I don't know what may be your mind, but whatever that may be in your own mind, bring it on, because we are here to change the narrative. These people have done a lot, and we are here to put an end to it. Enough is enough to this evil. My people, please, if you find this message, spread this video. Let it go viral. I want this animal called himself Ayodele, the evil man that acting based on his name, because this pyramid is an animal name, is not a human being name. Yes, it is not a name that being given by a human being. It is an animal name, pyramid. Go and do your research. And he is acting based on the animal name and in an animal kingdom. So my people, share this video so that it will reach in his desk and some other well-concerned men. Let it reach in their desk, because we are here to say the record straight. I'm only a messenger. Yes, if you really find it very helpful, please don't hesitate to share it globally, and don't forget to touch a hand for subscribe button, like, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Till next time, see you in my next video. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Biafra is the code. Thank you.